The light posts are carried by the goldfish. The stand is like the goldfish. You see? The light post is like this one. The goldfish is the base. This is the goldfish fountain. The water fountain. Ayan. Goldfish water fountain. The koi fishes water fountain.